Starlord. This is the CaptainStarLoaf channel. We are going to be making some sourdough bread here. Yay! I've had many people at work say, "Hey Captain, how do you make sourdough bread? How did you get started? And can you show me the ropes?" That's what this channel is going to be for. Special shout out to our friend Chelsea. Chelsea, thanks so much for showing us how to make sourdough bread. We also want to shout out the Loaf Shack on TikTok. I'm not sure if she has a YouTube or not, but we will be following her ingredients and recipe to a T in a certain way. And then our main man, and I'm totally blanking his name, so I'm going to put his username right here. We follow his recipe for making the bread, and he is fantastic with all his recipes, so go check him out. But yeah, we are going to start this off. Check out day one. I'm sure the video will appear like right here. If you're watching this on TikTok, they're going to come out like every other day. Actually, every day, because you're going to have day one, day two, day three. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. I hope sourdough bread is as tasty as you are.